Hello viewers and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll explain how to get free coins in MyDrama. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to help me make more videos like this. As you can see, my balance is currently only 50 coins. We're going to change that now. First, open a browser. In this case, I'm opening Safari. Then type in gamesavage.com/mydrama. You'll see this screen, and of course, select the highest number of coins. Then enter your email address for your MyDrama account or your username. Then select whether you're using Android or iOS. Then wait for the process to complete. Sometimes, like in this case, you'll need to verify your account, but sometimes you don't. Once you've successfully done this, open the MyDrama app again, just like I did, and then you'll see that you've already deposited. Coins will be deposited into your account immediately. Thanks for watching this video.